Hi, welcome to Inside Home YouTube channel. In this video, you will explore a stunning villa by Jimmy Martin, where bold creativity and luxurious sophistication meet. Each room blends contemporary art with timeless elegance, featuring statement furniture, vibrant colors, and intricate custom designs. This is the entrance hallway that exudes timeless elegance, featuring a marble staircase leading to carved wooden double doors framed by ornate walls. The white marble contrasts with warm wood tones, while tall palms and patterned vases add a tropical touch. Lantern-style lamps along the steps and a colorful overhead lantern cast a soft, welcoming glow, creating a refined blend of heritage and modern artistry. This entrance hall interior blends classic elegance with modern style, featuring intricate moldings and gilded details for a regal touch. Soft pink high-back chairs add refined charm, while a zebra-patterned rug offers a bold, contemporary contrast to the vintage elements. The crystal chandeliers cast a luxurious glow, reflecting off large mirrors that amplify the space's grandeur. A vintage gold-framed mirror enhances the aesthetic, blending tradition and modernity. Designer cushions and artistic decor add a personal, curated touch, making the space a statement of artistic sophistication where heritage meets bold creativity. This entryway's side blends classic elegance with modern flair, featuring ornate moldings, gilded details, and mustard yellow chairs. Parquet flooring, vintage planters with greenery, and a black and white geometric rug bridge past and present, while soft pink curtains add a serene glow. Antique-inspired accents and bold hues complete the look. The other side of the entrance combines bold statements with classical elegance. Ornate moldings and vintage tiles set a refined tone, while a distressed console with daring typography contrasts with lush bamboo in antique planters. An amethyst geode adds mystique, twin sconces highlight the decor, and a mirrored backdrop enhances light and depth, blending tradition with avant-garde artistry. Still in the entrance hallway, a grand marble staircase with wrought iron railings leads to stained glass windows, filling the space with color. Abstract art beneath the stairs contrasts with intricate moldings and pastel hues, while floral patterned tiles add charm. Bright yellow stools and a sleek dining nook inject vibrancy into the room. This room feels like a meeting point of eras, where history and modernity coexist harmoniously. Each corner tells a story of intentionality and creativity, inviting guests to pause and admire the dialogue between the past and present woven into the design. This space transitions from a grand entrance to a cozy reading room, with gilded moldings, cream tones, and shelves of leather-bound books exuding charm. Rich parquet floors and bold red velvet chairs pair with stained glass doors for soft light, while a sleek metallic cabinet adds modern flair, blending tradition with creativity. This artful dining gallery that adjacent to the main entrance hall is a sophisticated blend of classic and modern design, where creativity and elegance meet in perfect harmony. The centerpiece, a long wooden table, is adorned with an eclectic collection of books and decorative objects, each telling its own story. Vibrant mustard yellow chairs surround the table, their bold color adding a modern flair that contrasts beautifully with the room's traditional architectural details. Soft pink curtains frame large windows, flooding the space with natural light and creating a serene, inviting atmosphere. Delicate ornamental moldings on the walls and ceiling evoke timeless sophistication, while playful artwork on the walls brings a contemporary edge. The room's polished parquet flooring, paired with a geometric black and white rug, grounds the design and ties the elements together. Lush potted palms add a touch of nature, softening the bold contrasts and enhancing the room's vibrant energy. A stunning chandelier overhead casts a warm, elegant glow, highlighting the juxtaposition of bold modernity and refined tradition. This space feels like a curated haven for creativity, intellect, and style, a room where conversations flow as freely as the imagination. As you enter the grand marble lounge, a perfect blend of timeless elegance and modern vibrancy greets you. Towering marble columns with ornate capitals evoke classical grandeur, while intricate ceiling moldings add sophistication. In this room, white sofas, colorful cushions, and a turquoise rug create a cozy yet refined vibe. Soft pink curtains frame large windows, allowing natural light to flood in and fill the space with an inviting glow, enhancing both warmth and elegance. Potted palms add a natural touch, while bold artwork and crystal chandeliers blend classic charm with modern style. The curated decor, a thoughtful mix of vintage and contemporary pieces, reflects the personality and creativity of the design. The Grand Lounge is a space that invites relaxation and conversation, seamlessly blending comfort with sophistication, making it the heart of the home. This is more than just a room. It's a thoughtfully crafted space that invites relaxation and conversation. With its elegant palette, bold artistic choices, and timeless architectural details, it leaves a lasting impression, offering a perfect blend of comfort, creativity, and sophistication. This room is a masterpiece of design, seamlessly blending modern sophistication with classical elegance to create a space that is both inviting and inspiring. This is a literary bar exudes an old-world charm with a modern twist, blending the ambience of a library with the allure of a well-stocked bar. Floor-to-ceiling bookshelves line the walls, filled with carefully curated volumes, evoking a sense of intellectual sophistication. The warm wooden tones of the bar counter and shelving contrast beautifully with the vibrant red velvet chairs, which add a bold, luxurious touch. Overhead, industrial-style pendant lights cast a soft glow, creating a cozy yet stylish atmosphere. The bar is adorned with crystal decanters and fine glassware, reflecting a commitment to refined taste and detail. On one side, tufted black leather armchairs provide a comfortable nook for intimate conversations, while playful modern art injects a contemporary edge, making the room feel dynamic and unique. The window brings in natural light, softening the otherwise dramatic palette and highlighting the intricate parquet flooring. This room is a perfect balance of timeless elegance and modern flair, a sanctuary for those who appreciate the finer things in life, whether it's a good book, a fine drink, or engaging company. This is an eclectic, elegant suite bedroom that blends modern sophistication with vibrant artistry. A cream headboard with black trim anchors the bed, paired with jewel-toned tiger motif pillows for bold luxury. Metallic floor lamps with red accents complement the playful color palette. A blue and red geometric cabinet with gold trims and a classical bust lamp merges old and new. Patterned tiles add warmth, while bold modern art above enhances character. A mustard yellow armchair creates a cozy nook, paired with a silver side table and surrealist artwork for a whimsical touch. A golden starburst chandelier casts a warm glow, tying the eclectic, luxurious design together. This is a kind of timeless romance suite bedroom that blends classic sophistication with modern luxury. A four-poster ebony bed with carved spiral posts anchors the room, adorned with botanical pillows and a soft gray velvet throw. Blush pink walls and mosaic floor tiles set a romantic tone, while mirrored side tables and modern lamps add contemporary balance. A tufted blush bench softens the space, a gilded mirror adds luxury, and curated art personalizes the room. An ornate gold chandelier completes this serene retreat. This is the master bedroom that captures the essence of timeless luxury, blending classical elegance with a serene, inviting atmosphere. The centerpiece of the room is a lavish tufted blush pink headboard that extends the full width of the bed, framed by bold, golden bedside lamps resting on reflective, cylindrical tables. The bed itself, adorned with soft pink quilted bedding and delicate accent pillows, invites relaxation while exuding refinement. A fluffy blush-toned area rug lies beneath, adding texture and warmth to the parquet hardwood flooring. The walls are a soothing off-white, adorned with a curated collection of classical oil paintings in gilded frames, each telling its own story and adding depth to the room's sophisticated aesthetic. A modern feathered chandelier hangs elegantly above, providing soft, diffused lighting that complements the space's tranquil ambience. A sleek white ottoman graces the bed's foot, while stacked Louis Vuitton trunks add worldly charm. A gold-accented desk with a plush black chair creates a stylish nook, topped with a pink crystal and sleek lamp for a blend of function and beauty. Large windows with sheer white curtains allow natural light to fill the room, creating an airy and open feeling. A stately armoire in muted gray stands against the wall, offering a touch of antique charm while providing ample storage. The final touches, a vase of fresh tulips and a decorative sculpture, enhance the room's lively yet serene character. This suite is the epitome of regal tranquility, offering a perfect balance between classical opulence and modern comfort.